Congratulations on purchasing your new Stihl FS40C, FS56C, or FS56RC string trimmer. You'll be trimming in no time with this short guide. At Rental Village, we make sure your trimmer is sent home fueled and in perfect running condition. If refueling, make sure to use Stihl Motomix or equivalent 50:1 mixed fuel. To start the engine, press the manual fuel bulb, located here, at least 5 times, even if it is filled with fuel. When starting the engine for the first time that session, engage the choke by moving the lever to the position marked with this symbol. If you have already run the engine for a significant amount of time and it is still hot, turn the lever to this position. For cranking the engine, place the unit on the ground and maintain a safe and secure footing. Grip the trimmer in your left hand, being sure not to press the throttle lockout or trigger. With your right hand, pull up the slack in the line and then give it a brisk pull. On versions with the easy to start, pull the string steadily. As soon as the engine runs, press down on the throttle trigger lockout and open the throttle. The auto choke mechanism will turn the choke to the running position. To shut the engine off, move the stop switch to the off position until the engine stops, then release it. Congrats on your new purchase. On behalf of everyone at Rental Village, happy trimming.